Welcome to the Alberta Healthcare Aide Directory Supervisor Training video. As a supervisor participating in the program, you're asked to confirm the education credentials, or core competency, of individuals applying for membership on the Alberta Healthcare Aide Directory. To do this, you'll need an email invitation to create an application reviewer account on the directory website. You can access the website through your mobile phone, tablet, or computer. Before we look at the software, let's quickly review how applications are processed and where your critical contribution fits in. The process begins with individuals at your workplace applying for a membership on the directory. One of the options available to the applicant is to identify a supervisor to confirm the education credential they have entered, or to confirm their competency through an assessment process. When you are identified as a supervisor for the first time, an invitation is forwarded to you by the Alberta Healthcare Aide Directory organization to create an account. Once your account is created, you can review applications and submit them back to the HCA administrators for further review and finalization. You only need to set up your account once. If other individuals name you as their supervisor, their applications will automatically appear on your dashboard. Let's see how this process looks in the software, starting with the email invitation. Note that if you are expecting an invitation but don't see it in your inbox, be sure to check your junk folder for messages from the HCA directory. Just a warning that if you try to sign up on the portal in advance of receiving the invitation, you'll be registering as an applicant and not as a supervisor. For that reason, please wait for the invitation email. Once you're at the registration portal, complete your account setup by entering a secure password for your account. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and contain at least one punctuation or special character. With your account created, log in and you'll see a dashboard showing one or more applications to review. A summary email is sent to you once per day to advise you about any new applications requiring your review, so you don't need to check the portal constantly. Applicants can qualify for membership on the directory through 3 different core competency categories. The information you need to confirm is different depending on the option selected. Let's quickly review an application from each competency category to see those differences. To view an application's details, click the Review button. This application has a certified competency claim. This applies where the applicant has a credential from an Alberta HCA certified program, or they are in the process of completing their certified program. To confirm this competency, you need to refer to the transcripts, a certificate, or similar documentation confirming the applicant's education. If the information is accurate, you can confirm the credential. If there's an error, there is a place for you to enter your comments. The second category applies where the applicant has not attended an Alberta HCA certified program, but they have health education which is substantially equivalent to the approved provincial HCA curriculum. This may, for example, include HCA training offered in other provinces or countries. For this category, the applicant may be in progress toward completing their assessment as substantially equivalent. If the applicant has not yet been assessed, the competency is referred to as substantially equivalent in progress, in which case you only need to confirm when you believe the assessment will be completed. A reminder will be sent out to report on the assessment at the future date indicated. Once the assessment is verified, the applicant's status can then be changed to substantially equivalent. The third core competency category is referred to as deemed competent. This applies where the applicant does not have a qualifying healthcare education credential, but may have gained the core competencies required of an Alberta HCA in other ways. In this case, the competency of the applicant must be assessed using the Provincial Competency Assessment Protocol. Details of that protocol are available on the Alberta HCA website. If the competency assessment is not yet complete, the applicant may still be listed on the directory with an "in progress" status. In this case, a target time frame for completion is required. A similar process to that described earlier for the substantially equivalent category applies. You may find that you're not able to verify all applications directed to you. If an education credential can't be provided, you need to decline the claim and enter a comment to advise the HCA directory of the reason. Other reasons for declining may include not being correctly identified as that applicant's supervisor, or the wrong claim may have been made on the application. Whatever the reason for not verifying, please enter it in the comment area to assist the HCA directory administrators with follow-up. Once you've completed your review, submit the application. Once submitted, the application appears in the Reviewed area, where you can no longer make changes to it. Reviewed applications go to the HCA directory administrators for follow-up and finalization. In some cases, additional input from you may be required and the application will appear again on your dashboard. Review as before, being sure to respond to the questions asked by the administrator in the comment areas provided. Thanks for watching.